Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing. If not, it's going to be a website. Either or, I'll leave the links down below, which will be either my Amazon link or their website. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is staying safe. We got Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals going on now and throughout the holiday season. So you might want to maybe pick up a few stocking stuffers for your friend, family, or your loved one. This will be a nice one to get. You guys can check them out. This is from the makers of Anker. They came out with now SoundCore. This is a Sport X10 workout earbuds. True wireless. Ooh, baby. They got 3 different colors to choose from. You can click on it once you click on their website, or like I said, either Amazon or that hybrid ANC, sweat guard, X10 waterproof, body moving bass, 32 hours of playtime, which equals about almost 8 hours of music on a single charge. And then, like I said, it's fully waterproof, dynamic acoustic system that has a 2x more bass. You guys can read all this. The body moving, see, that's a dynamic acoustic. It'll sound good once you start walking and working out. Maybe throw these in your gym locker. Download on the App Store, SoundCore. What's in the box? You get the Earbuds, charging case, extra ear tips, USB-C, Anker, innovations. But yeah, definitely good company. See, body moving. Gotta keep that moving, especially during the workouts. 20 million people. Good buddy. It's a lot of people. Alright, I gotta get scissors. Hold on. Alright, it's time to open this thing up. Try her out. I mean, I wish you guys could hear it. It's kind of hard to hear it on the YouTubes, unless it's like a speaker or a soundbar type deal, you know. But with these, it's kind of hard. But you can see how it looks. I can tell you how it feels. Stuff like that. But other than that, if I could get it out. A little toughy. Be right back. That's my fault. There's a little piece of tape in there, so be careful when you get it. Just cut that. You can see it. It's tucked. So look at this. Boom. That's a lot easier. Here we go. Oh, I'm gonna grab the other phone. Like I said, we'll test it out, but like it's hard to listen to it, if you know what I mean. Here's the extra ear tips. You get those. XLs, large, small, extra small. Got tiny ears, big ears, medium ears, small ears. You get a little USB cable, charge up the case. Oop. There you go, tiny little cord. Throw that out, oops. It's super lightweight. There's a little tab right here. You might want to pull it. That's for the screen, for the battery display. Most likely, let you know it's charged. Here's the back. I got the button right there. And USB goes there. Should be charged. Ooh. Yeah, see. Once you open it, there's little tabs there you got to pull out. I'm going to grab the phone. You can see it's still charging. Got the lights red on. This is nice. So like I said, maybe give it a gift to your trainer, your boss, co-worker, friend, yourself. Be right back. Alright guys, once you get your phone, download the SoundCore right there. It says Anker. Install that. And then we gotta see what these are all about. But yeah, definitely nice. Okay, see, that's where it's blocking the connectors. So that's a good thing. And there we go. And there's the second one. And you can see the connecting chargers right at the gold. Really nice. You guys can see a little bit. Here we go. Drop it down an inch. Then you click to open. You should know how to do this by now. Agree. Allow. Oh, I'm not going to log in with Amazon. I will sign up. Hold on. Okay, once you register, it's going to pop up this. Add a device. Add device. Allow. Now it's going to search. Hopefully it should find these two right away. I do believe I have them on. Oops. Let me retry. Turn them on. Let me set this up. All right, on in. Here we go. They are the SoundCore. Right there. And it's going to ask to pair it. See where the headset like these. There you go. It tells you how much battery is on both of them. This is really cool. Get the EQ, custom. Oops. There's your hertz and everything else. You down here. Just turn it up higher. And there we go. Ambient sound. Noise cancellation. Oh, that's a good thing. Speak or hear your surroundings without removing your earbuds. Whoa. That's nice. I want to see how this works. Okay. Right one goes in the right ear, obviously. Kind of like that. If you guys can see it. Here's my ear. Not too big of an ear. Fits perfect. Flip you. And then same with this one. Don't worry, I'm doing it a little bit different. But they do have a nice fit. There we go. Ooh. Yeah, see, they ain't moving. They're nice and snugged. Okay, we got the noise cancellation on. Here we go. Or actually, transparency mode. Let me go on YouTube really quick. Non-copyrighted music, of course. Just in case, I don't think you guys could hear it, but 1261 Clan is usually the good one. Whoa. Wow. They sound really good. Really good. Really impressed. Noise cancel. Wow. Speak. And it tells you the controls. L. Yeah. Volume R. L and R. You can press it twice to hit the next song. R button is to pause. This thing is crazy. Always check the firmware. We are all good to go. You can always turn it up. Excellent, excellent, excellent. I am really impressed with these. True wireless, waterproof, and also these swivel. The hooks, 210 degrees. I don't know if you guys can hear it. But yeah, amazing stuff, guys. Definitely check them out. Add this to your Christmas list right now. Hopefully you guys get it, because these sound amazing. Like I said, hybrid ANC, sweat guard, amazing comfort in the ears. I usually don't do earbuds anymore, but I'm definitely going to be wearing these a lot now, because I mean the clarity, the bass, and it all depends on what music too. It sounds good. I don't usually do techno only on review videos because of that one guy, 1261 Clan, is not copyrighted. So, but they sound really good for techno. Hip hop is the mostly thing I listen to, and amazing stuff, guys. So check them out. Click the link down below. You guys be safe. Have a good weekend. See you soon.